Hi everyone, welcome to Last Minute Coders. My name is Vinay. I hope you guys are doing good. We have reached a milestone of 4,000 plus subscriber. I would like to thank you all for all your love and support. And now talking about what we are going to do in this video. So we are going to learn about deep linking in Canvas app. Now, if any one of you don't know what a deep link is, let me just give you an example. So deep link are nothing but hyperlinks. So you can see up here, right? Let me take an example of like youtube.com. Okay. So if I search for youtube.com, so this is a home page for YouTube, and for my particular channel, this is a particular link for my channel. If I copy this link, so this link is basically a deep link. Is if I paste this link anywhere up, or if I share this link with you, and if you open this link directly, you will see my channel's what you say UI. Okay. So this is what a deep link is, and how do we integrate this kind of thing in Canvas app? That's what we are going to learn in this video. So I have created one sample Canvas app, and you can see an interface for this. Now let me create three screens up here. Let's say home screen, another screen. Let me first create one label in the screen. Okay, and I'll increase the size of this label to 100, and I'll say home. Okay, and now I'll quickly duplicate three screens, and let me name this screen as service screen, and this screen as my about us screen. Okay, so in about us screen, I'll rename this label to about us. In service screen, I rename this label to service, and in home screen, the label is this home only. Okay, so everything is well and good. So again, before we further move forward with this video, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the updates on such amazing videos that I'm going to cover in future. And if you like my content, like this video, share it with your friends and colleagues. And I would appreciate your comments and feedbacks in comment section. Thank you so much. And if you want to connect with me, my email will be flashing on top or maybe on below. So just ping me on my WhatsApp if you have any queries or anything you want to talk to me about. Okay. So let us continue with our video. So see what will happen if I'll publish this app. So firstly, if I click on this publish icon, it will save the application and then it will publish it. So let's wait. So see, once I publish this, I have three screen, right? So when I'll play my app, how do we play our app? So again, we just go to this make.powerapps interface, just select the correct environment, and in this environment, there are two buttons. One is this edit, another one is this play. If I'll click on this play icon, so see by default, the home screen is my first screen, right? But let's say I don't want this home screen to be my first screen. I want this service screen to be my first screen. How can I do that? So for that, you need to go to this app and this property known as a start screen. So whichever screen you mention up here, right? Let's say service screen, that screen will be my first screen. See if I this time save and publish the app. So the service screen will be the first screen. Okay. So this is a very basic thing and most of us don't know about this thing. So we should be knowing this, like which screen is our first screen, how to like change this. By default, the first screen will be our home screen, but I want the service screen to be my first screen when I play my app. Okay, so let's refresh. See this. You are using an old version of this app. Refresh to the latest version. So if I refresh this, and let's wait. Okay, now you can see the service screen is my first screen. Okay, and the app link is on the top. You can see if I copy this link and if I open Notepad. So let me open a Notepad, and if I paste this link up here, so you can see this is the link of my application, right? All right, well and good, but let me create a gallery. Okay, I'm just creating some navigation bar on the top. All right, this gallery should be a blank gallery, and it will contain some button in it. So let me quickly add some button inside it. So need to click up here, need to paste up here. Okay, and the size of this, I'll keep it a small. Let me quickly make a data for this. So how do we create data? Actually, it needs a table. Okay, so one is name. The first one is known as home, and which screen it will navigate to. So I'll say home screen. Okay, the same way I'll create two more record. Copy, comma paste. The another one is about us. The another one is service. So it will navigate me to about us screen, and the last one will be navigating me to contact us screen. Okay, so contact TACT us. Okay, no wait, it's known as service screen. Service screen. That's it. Okay, so this is it. Now, how I'll click on this label, go to its text. I'll write this item dot name, and how do we navigate it? We will just go to advanced on select. We will say navigate, and then this item dot screen. Okay, and if you wanted to add some transition here, other transition. That's it. Now I will copy this gallery and paste it in all the screens. Okay. Now see how this will work. If I'll play my app, if I click on about us, so see I'm on about us, service, home. Well and good, right? It's working on each and every page. It's perfectly working. Okay. Now let me publish my app. I'll save first of all and then publish it. I just wanted to show you guys something. That even if we are on any like even if we are on home page, service page or about us page, in all the pages the links is just the same. So let me refresh this application and wait till the newer version. See, we will let you know when it's available. It's saying. Okay, in the meantime, if you don't understand how this is working, so I've created one vertical gallery. Inside it, I've added one button and then I've created one table. Okay, you can see this table. One column is name, another column is a screen. In name, I have just provided the name of the screens like home, about us, service. And in a screen, I have just given the name of the screens. That's it. Then in this button on the text property, I said this item dot text so that all the names will be unique. And on the on action on select navigate to the particular screen. If I click on about us, I should be navigate to about us screen, something like that. If you wanted to make it look more beautiful, don't give it any like background color. The font color I would suggest like let's say gray. Okay, and maybe hover color you can fix it or something. So it's totally up to you. And yeah, you can keep them right aligned or something like this. So this I think this can be done. Okay, so it will behave like a side nav bar. But anyways, I don't care about that. I'll just refresh the app. So you can see the newer version came, and see the above link. Currently I'm on the service page, right? If I'll copy this link and if I paste this link up here, so you will not see any home. And even if I click on home again, if I'll copy this link and if I paste this link below, so you will see there is no difference between this and this link. You can just copy each and every word of the both the links are just the same. So how can we identify on which screen we are on based on this link? Even if I'm on service screen, even if I'm on about us screen, all the links are same. Okay, there is no difference between any of the link. So here I'm going to show you how do we know that we are on which screen. Okay, for that there is a very beautiful function known as Param. All right, so what Param does, it see in this link I can add anything like my own parameter. I can add, let's say, screen parameter. If up here if I write, let's say, service. So what will happen is if the screen is service, it will open a service page for me. If the screen is home, it will open a home screen for me. So to extract this parameters, what you say, value from the link. I have that param function with me. Okay. So my new link is this, a screen home. So let me just copy this link and paste it up here. You can see this is my new link. I just removed this hashtag sign and added my new parameter. Okay. So from this link, how can I extract this word home? Okay. So that's what we are going to see. So again, go to the start screen property, and here what you need to write is just write one switch case. I hope you know what switch is. Switch is used to compare one value with multiple values. So in my case, what is the one value? I'll use param function, and param of what? Screen. Write it very carefully. See this. This is screen. Whatever word spelling I'm writing up here, right? It's case sensitive. It's screen. Okay. So screen. So what param will do it will extract this word home from it. So this param will extract the word home from it. Okay. So now I'll say if it is home and try to keep everything in a small case. So it should open home screen. If it is, let's say, service, in double quotes I have to write service, then it should open service screen. Service screen. If it is, let's say, again about us, then it should open about us screen. ABOUT, about us screen. And by default, I will say it should open home screen only. If in link nothing is provided, then by default the home screen should be my default screen. That's it. Now let us save and publish our application, and let us see whether this is working or not. Okay. So this is what we are going to see now. So I published my app. Okay. And let me refresh it up here. So currently the new version didn't. Okay, yeah. Our new version of app is coming. We will let you know when it is available. So it may take 1 to 2 minutes sometimes. Sometimes it takes more than that also. So we just have to be a little patient with this. See, the newer version came. So you can see on the link. Currently I haven't added any parameters. So what I'll do is ampersand, I'll say screen is equal to, and I'll write about us. And let us see. Okay, wait a sec. In about us, I have given space. So here also I need to provide a space, and let us see whether it will work or not. So you can see if I write about us, right, with the space. So just keep this in mind. Do not provide any space, otherwise your link will not look good. If I write service, so see service page. If I write home, home, then home page. Okay. But and if I do not write anything or any wrong spelling, then also the home page will be my default page. So this is how the deep linkings are working. I hope this is making now sense to you people. Okay, you can see if I see here, let me remove this additional space, and let me again save and publish, so that in link we don't have to worry about like home service and that those spaces and all. Okay. Now, many of you might be wondering, like, how the end user will know this. See, basically, where do we use deep link? We use deep link with Canvas app when we send emails and we want users to click on the links and open a specific page. So we will automatically make this link for them. They don't have to worry and make the link for themselves. Okay. Let me just give you an example. Let me go to this home page, and here I'll create one button. Okay, here I'll say, let's say, send email. Okay, now how to send email from Canvas app directly? You need to go to this data section, add data. There are this connectors, and you will see Microsoft Office 365 Outlook connector. Just connect to it, and on the on select of this button, I'll write Office 365 Outlook. There is something known as send email v2. Just use this one. Okay, the first thing it is asking, whom do you want to send the mail? So I'll send email to myself. I'll use user function dot email. Subject, I'll say testing deep link. Testing deep link. Okay, so this is my subject, and the third thing you will see now, it's saying what should be the body. So I'll say hi. This is a sample mail. Okay, and see for deep link testing. Now let's say, let me close the double quotes up here. Now let's say I want a new line after this hi. So what you can do is you can use br tag. If you know HTML CSS, you can use tags up here. Okay, so very simple. Again, HTML tags we can use, and how to provide the app link. So anchor, for that we have that anchor tag. We will write href is equal to, now the app link is this. I'll copy this whole link. Okay, I'll go up here, I'll paste the link up here. So from here I'll write, if from this screen I'm going, screen is equal to home. So this will be my app link, and I'll say app link home and close the anchor tag. So you can see the whole thing up here. What I did is I use a anchor tag href. Okay, in within the href, within single quotes you have to write this. Just keep this in mind. Within single quote you have to write the paste the whole link. Just this screen parameter need to be home up here, and this is the link. I said this will be app link home. So I will not see this whole thing. I'll only see this app link home, and when I click on this word app link home, this will open me this particular page. So yeah, that's it. I'll close the bracket up here. Okay, and very simple. Just we'll copy this link from this page and paste it up here. Paste it up here. In about us, just I need to change it this word to about us, and in service screen I need to change it to service. Okay, I hope this is now making more sense. So I'll save the application, and then I'll publish it. Once it is saved, I will publish it. And now let's test it out. If I click on the send email, right, a mail will be sent to my mail, this thing, my Outlook. See this, in my Outlook the mail has been sent to me. So see, testing deep link, you can see the I have received the mail, and the way I wanted my mail to be, the mail had to be, or it is in that way only, like hi, then there is 2 line gap, then this is a sample mail deep link, and you can say app link home. Now many of you might be saying, you have sent Vinay, you have sent mail from service screen, why it's saying home? Because here I forgot to change it to like service. Okay, so let me change this thing to service and this thing to about us, so that there will be no confusion. Okay, now let me again play this application. I'll click on the send email. So you can see again I have received one email. This time it's proper hi, this is a sample deep link testing app link about us. If I click on this link, see which page I'm opening, whether it is a home page, service page, or about us. It had to be an about us page. But now many of you might be thinking, then why this page is opening? Because I republished the app, right? So I need to refresh it once, and you will see it's opening about us page. Again, let me just close this also, and let me click on this about us link, and just wait. You will see about us page is now open. Okay. So isn't it amazing? If I go to my again app, just go to this service screen. If I click on the send email, so again I will receive an email. See about a service. If I click on this link, so service page is opening. So this is what a deep linking is. Okay. Now you can see the link also automatically. This now the user don't have to worry about this link. Basically in Canvas app we use this deep linking when we are working with like emails and everything. In the next video, what I'll further make you understand about this deep link is how we can open a specific record. In this video we have seen how we can open a specific screen, right? Within a specific screen also we can open a specific record. Let's say we have a gallery with 10 or 15 items, and I wanted to display one particular item in that particular screen, or maybe we will have some form, and in that form we have to display that. With the help of this link, how we can do that, in the next video we are going to see that. In this one I think it's more than enough. Just practice this, and once like you get the concept of this deep linking, it will be very useful in your like app making journey. I hope this video is useful for you, and if it is, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Goodbye.